So this video is for your springs. You hear a clunk, like your springs are getting stuck when you turn the steering wheel. I got the solution for you. I took the whole suspension out, but you don't really have to. Right here, right down here. This is just like a joint. So when you turn your steering wheel, this was actually what actually turns the suspension in here. You need to lube this up with like a gel lubricant. I have a WD gel lubricant. Don't put just WD-40. It's gonna dry up quick. You gotta put like a gel. That way it'll hold up for a while. See how that's flooded with gel in there? So you put that in, and when you turn your steering wheel, as you're turning your steering wheel, it gets lubricated and it doesn't get stuck. That's the clunking, the spring. I don't know if you can see my springs in there. See them? Yeah. Well, there you have it. That's what fixes it. You don't have to take everything out. Just spray it in here and spray it on the other side, and you should be good.